Want to share your Discord profile with someone? In this video, I'll show you a quick way to get your Discord user ID and create a profile link that you can send to anyone. Start by opening the Discord app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find Advanced and tap on it. Here, turn on Developer Mode. This option lets you access extra account details, including your user ID. Now head back to Discord and open any server or conversation where your profile is visible. Tap on your username or profile picture to open your profile. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Copy User ID. Discord will copy your unique ID to your clipboard. Once you've copied it, you can use that ID to create a shareable Discord profile link by adding it to the appropriate user profile URL format. After that, simply paste the link into a message, email, or any app you'd like to use for sharing. Anyone with the link can easily view your Discord profile. A quick and easy way to share your Discord profile with friends, communities, or anyone who wants to connect with you.